the Most High does not look like a man. I repeat, out of love, the Most High does not look like a man. That is blasphemy. That is asinine, asinine, 11, 12. If you believe that, according to my opinion, that opinion is ass. Now, I will say that the Most High does not look like a man. I repeat, the Most High does not look like a man. And if you worship the Most High and he looks like a man, I don't worship the same God as you worship. I worship the Most High, who does not look like a man or a woman. Yes, we're created in the image and likeness, male and female in the image of and likeness, but not literally as in physically. The Most High contains the characteristics of masculinity and femininity. The Most High does not have form. The Most High is not a man that he shall lie. The Most High, we are not to make images, engraven images, idols, images of the Most High and worship it. We're not to worship images of the Most High. That is a violation of the second commandment. The Most High does not look like a man. The Most High is not a man that he should lie. Moses asked the Most High, can I see your glory? Can I see you? The Most High said, no one has seen my face and lived. And he said this to Moshe. That's right, to Moshe. Moshe Rabbeinu, Moses, our teacher. Even Moshe Rabbeinu, who spoke peh el peh, mouth to mouth with the Creator, was not allowed to see the face of the Most High. Why? Because the Most High said, no one has seen my face and lived. So for me to say that the Most High looks like a man, that would be asinine. That would be wrong. The Most High does not look like a man. The Most High does not look like a woman. The Most High is the Most High. And if you worship the Most High that looks like a man, that's not the Most High. That's an idol. God is not a man that he shall lie. If you say God is a man of war, that's poetry. It's music. It's a metaphor. The Most High does not look like a man.